Echo. Well, it looks like the intention is for me to go on a journey. I see some snacks, some homemade mooncake, and a map of the Golden Triangle next to my bicycle with some luggage. So it looks like it's time for me to go away for a few days. So I think looking at this, I'll start off, we're in Chiang Rai, and as it says the Golden Triangle, I might as well head to the Golden Triangle today, which is where Thailand meets Burma and Laos. Right, that's it, I'm off.
Okay, have a nice ride and take your time.
I will take my time, I understand what you're saying. I'll see you in a few days. So I'm going to head up to the far north of Thailand, to the Golden Triangle, where Burma and Laos and Thailand all meet at a spot in the middle of the Mekong River. Following that, over the next few days, I'll just start heading south a bit, spend some longer days in the saddle, and to enjoy not quite knowing where I'm going to end up each night. Unpacking the bags and packing again, and hey, just like the old days, back on the road. These little shelters that we're in now, they're to be found all over Thailand, and they're perfect for the weary cyclist looking to shade from the sun. This is it, the Golden Triangle, the meeting point of three countries: Burma, Laos, Thailand. So today's intention is simply to get some miles in. One of the reasons I came out for a few days was to stretch the legs. So the idea is do 100 kilometers, have a break, and then split the second 100 up into two with a coffee or something halfway.
Oh, you never felt this lost before.
I was hoping to keep up a 25 km/h average for the whole 200 k's, and 170 k's in, and I'm still just about on that. But suddenly I found myself on a busy road, so I've moved off of that to a track that was on the map that runs parallel, and well, rather splendid it is. So who cares about stupid old averages, eh, when you've got a beautiful view like this? So there you go, the end of a fantastic day. 205 kilometres in the end, and finishing at Pa Yau Lake, which is a favourite place to finish, a beautiful spot. The last 30 kilometres, oh, I was getting tired, but some fantastic gravel, really, really nice. So it was a grand finale. So let's see where tomorrow takes us. Day 3, and this morning I've plotted a nice little 150 k's through a yard. It's right. Well, that was quite convenient. I don't know where I am, in the middle of nowhere, and there's a brand new 7-Eleven. It's actually a bit early to stop for second breakfast, but I find one of the difficult things on these long trips is keeping the sustenance up. I get tired and realise only later that you've not eaten enough, so I was a little bit hungry, which means it was well over time to eat. Yeah, although I've been doing some long days, I've never strayed more than 100 kilometres directly back home, so I could have really gone out and back every day, covered some similar things. But you know, there's nothing quite like putting your bags on your bike and heading off. The gadget, the witchcraft thingy, it told me to turn left. I have to confess, my route planning was hasty this morning. Anyway, told me to turn left, and there we are. Well, I really want to get to a beer because I'm quite hot and quite thirsty, but it looks quite good down there, so let's have a look. So, how's that? That's an absolute treat, eh? Oh, fantastic. Actually, I wasn't telling the whole truth when I said I wanted a beer. What I really want is several beers. So, let's get going. Oh, it's always convenient at the end of a long day when you know a good hotel, which I'm fortunate to know this one. So all I need to do now, nip down the road to the shop and all will be good. So it's theoretically the last day of this little tour, heading back towards Chiang Rai now with about 125 k's to go. And then it really frazzles my mind. So in the last 4 days, by the time I get back, I will have done just under 600 kilometres, which I find quite tiring. And then you look at James Hayden, the ultra endurance rider. First day, the transcontinental race, he did 600 kilometres. 600 in the first 24 hours on a similar bike to this with similar luggage. It's not normal. guess about 20 kilometres to go. It's a bit of a hot day today. It's 40 degrees to my gadget. I didn't notice so much, and as soon as I saw it was 40 degrees, I started huffing and puffing a bit. I guess it's psychological. I guess it's hot. Anyway, I'll press on. It's another one of those interesting little sections that you get when you plot a route on a gadget in the morning when you're drinking coffee. I seem to be in the middle of a pineapple field. Presumably it goes on. There's a couple of motorbike tracks here. I thought I'll get off and push actually, because I'm getting old and tatty, I suppose. Well, bless my soul, so busy nattering to the camera I wasn't looking at the head unit, and I didn't need to push up that path at all through the pineapple field. I should be over there somewhere, and there is a track. If not, I'll have to backtrack. Hey ho, not to worry. There you go, that's it, back on the correct trail. Never let it be said that I'm always lost. Always room for improvement though. There you are, back on track into civilization. Even a concrete road and dogs to chase me. What more could I want? Buddy cap. Yeah, just doing some video in Hollywood. Yeah, and that, as they say, is a wrap. Back home at last. Just outran the rain, I think. Looks quite stormy. So that was 130 k's today to finish off. Nice ride. Whew, it was hot at one stage. But once the clouds came over, hello Hooky, the landlord's dog. Right, that's it, journey over, back home. Not quite back for 4:28, about half an hour late actually. Plenty of gravel, very nice.